Long before the first forests reached for the sky, and even before the dinosaurs began their reign, another power was taking shape in the primordial seas. They are the ocean's ancient architects, survivors of a world we can barely imagine. They have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the shifting of continents, and the slow, relentless march of time. These are the sharks, masters of evolution, whose story is written in the very fabric of the deep. For over 400 million years, they have patrolled these waters. They form a testament to nature's most enduring and successful design. They have weathered 5 great extinctions, each one wiping the slate of life clean, yet they endured. From the colossal megalodon that once hunted ancient whales to the hundreds of diverse species that grace our oceans today, their lineage is a saga of resilience, a silent epic of survival against all odds. In the vast blue theater of the ocean, every creature plays a part, but some roles are more critical than others. Sharks sit at the pinnacle of this intricate web of life, serving as the apex predators that maintain the ocean's delicate ecological balance. Like the wolves of the sea, they are not agents of chaos, but of order. By hunting the weak, the old, and the sick, they ensure that only the strongest individuals and other species survive to reproduce, strengthening the gene pool of entire populations. In coral reef ecosystems, their presence prevents mid-level predators from overgrazing on smaller fish, which in turn allows the reef's complex community to flourish. When a shark is removed from its environment, the consequences ripple downwards, triggering a cascade that can unravel an entire food web. They are the gardeners of the sea, pruning and shaping the marine world, ensuring its health and its continued vibrancy for millennia. Without them, the symphony of the ocean would fall silent, its delicate harmony lost. The secret to their incredible longevity lies in a suite of remarkable adaptations, a blueprint for survival perfected over hundreds of millions of years. Unlike the bony skeletons of most vertebrates, a shark's framework is made entirely of cartilage, a material that is lighter, more flexible, and faster to heal than bone. This evolutionary choice grants them incredible agility and speed, allowing them to turn on a dime and strike with breathtaking precision. It is a design so efficient that it has barely changed, a clear sign that evolution, on occasion, gets it right the first time. But their genius extends far beyond their skeleton. Sharks possess a sixth sense, an ability that feels almost supernatural. Tiny gel-filled pores scattered across their snout, known as the ampullae of Lorenzini, allow them to detect the faint electrical fields generated by the muscle contractions of living creatures. They can feel the heartbeat of prey hiding beneath the sand, navigating a world of invisible energy that is completely hidden from our own senses. It is this electroception that makes them such formidable hunters, able to find life in the vast, dark emptiness of the open ocean. Even their skin is a marvel of biological engineering. Covered in millions of microscopic, tooth-like scales called dermal denticles, a shark's skin is not smooth but a complex, abrasive surface. These V-shaped structures are arranged to reduce drag and turbulence, allowing the shark to glide through the water with minimal effort and unnerving silence. This natural armor is not only hydrodynamic, but also incredibly tough and self-healing. Wounds that would be fatal to other animals often heal with remarkable speed, a trait that has helped them survive the countless dangers of their long evolutionary journey. From the iconic silhouette of the great white to the bizarre and wonderful shape of the hammerhead, each species is a unique masterpiece of form and function, a living library of evolutionary solutions. They are not primitive relics, but highly sophisticated beings, perfectly tuned to the rhythms of their liquid world. If you're fascinated by the ocean's hidden worlds, take a moment to like this video. It helps us bring you more incredible stories from the deep. Despite their ancient pedigree and vital ecological role, sharks are perhaps the most misunderstood creatures on our planet. In the human imagination, they have been cast as mindless monsters, villains of the deep. This narrative, fueled by sensationalized media and a primal fear of the unknown, has painted a portrait that is profoundly inaccurate and deeply damaging. We see them as a threat, yet the reality is that they are the ones under threat from us. Sharks are not the bloodthirsty killers of fiction. They are intelligent, often cautious animals, each with complex behaviors and social structures we are only just beginning to understand. The whale shark, the largest fish in the sea, is a gentle filter feeder, harmlessly cruising the oceans for plankton. Many reef sharks are shy and elusive, more likely to flee from a human than to approach. These animals are not lurking in the depths waiting to attack. They are simply navigating their world, a world we have only recently begun to explore, and a world we are now disrupting at an alarming rate. The true danger in the ocean is not the shark, but the human. Our activities have become the single greatest threat to their survival. Industrial-scale overfishing, driven by a global demand for seafood, results in hundreds of thousands of sharks being caught unintentionally as bycatch in nets and long lines meant for other species. An even more direct and brutal threat is the practice of shark finning. Sharks are hauled from the ocean. Their fins are sliced off to be used in shark fin soup, a status symbol dish in some cultures, and their still living bodies are thrown back into the water to drown or bleed to death. This cruel and wasteful practice kills an estimated 100 million sharks every year. It is a slaughter on an unimaginable scale, pushing numerous species to the brink of extinction. Their slow reproductive rates, with long gestation periods and few offspring, mean their populations cannot recover from this relentless pressure. We are decimating the architects of the ocean, erasing 400 million years of evolutionary history in the span of a single human lifetime. The time for ignorance and fear is over. The fate of these ancient mariners, and the health of the oceans they govern, now rests entirely in our hands. An urgent and concerted global effort is required for their conservation. This includes the creation and enforcement of marine protected areas, where sharks and other marine life can breed and live without the threat of fishing pressure. It means implementing stricter international regulations on fishing, banning the practice of shark finning, and developing more selective fishing gear to reduce bycatch. But policy alone is not enough. The change must begin with our perception. We must learn to see sharks not as monsters, but as the vital, majestic creatures they are. Education is our most powerful tool to dismantle the myths and build a new relationship with these animals, one based on respect, understanding, and a shared responsibility for the health of our planet's blue heart. Protecting sharks is not just about saving a single group of animals. It is about protecting the entire marine ecosystem that sustains us all. Sharks have ruled the oceans for over 400 million years, but their future depends on us. Subscribe to WildFrame to keep exploring nature's untold secrets and help protect our blue planet. Their story is one of endurance, a chronicle of survival against the odds. Now, they face their greatest challenge. As we watch this great white disappear into the deep, fading blue, we are left with a choice. Will we be the final chapter in their ancient story, the cataclysm they could not survive? Or will we become their guardians, ensuring that these masters of evolution continue to patrol the oceans for millions of years to come? Their fate, and the fate of the ocean itself, is in our hands.